Jamaica has been at peace for over 30 years, since the end of the Great Duppy War.
Look, no beans, a kaito! Kaito!
Guys, I was in bed on my holiday, scrolling through my feed, and then something interesting came across. A full-on Jamaican anime came across my time feed, and I'm just like, what? I have to grab my mic. And get to work, because here on Blue Crescent Studio we've covered the likes of Jujutsu Kaisen and Bleach, you know, all the prime Japanese animes, you know, because that's the word we love and grew up on. But to see, as a Jamaican, as a fellow Jamaican, another Jamaican anime in the works, you know, a Jamaican anime that's about my culture, my place, you know, I'm seeing crossroads in anime. I just have to grab the mic and come talk to y'all. Guys, this is Jamaica No Duppy, and it's by a guy called Tolga Akeli, right? And while he is not Jamaican, he's from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, another Caribbean island. He's clearly taking this work as a passion project to produce this Jamaican anime, and so far so good. It looks good, man. It is the fact that to see, you know, you're hearing the Jamaican patois being spoken, and to see the Kingston off a tree, the clock tower, all being beautifully animated here. It got me intrigued. It got me peaked. It made me proud, because Jamaicans love anime. We love anime. In fact, one of the biggest Jamaican cosplay event just happened just over past this weekend, right? So to see Jamaicans try to dip their toes in this industry, which is not easy, it's not cheap, we have to support them. You know, I'm here to support. And speaking of support, they have a GoFundMe page, which we're going to have the link in the description below, and they're trying to seek 120,000 US to make this project come to life. And well, Blue Crescent is going to support. And you know, if you're a Jamaican watching this, or even American, Brazilian, anywhere, and you want to see more and learn more of our rich culture, but more in the medium that you like, you know, the medium that you're more familiar with, like anime, I think this is something you can at least check out. At least check out the GoFundMe page. But yeah, man, I'm excited. I want to see this come together. It just like on the gaming side, we covered 2 other Jamaican games that projects are on the way. You know, they're paving the way for the future, and I have to just say big ups and kudos to them, right? Just like I have to give big ups as well to Henry Credison, who is working on Maroon Black Manga. He's been doing that for a while now, so these guys are paving the way for future Jamaicans to really show that, yeah, we see and use the likes of Bleach and One Piece, but you can produce anything you feel like to do and create, you can produce it as well. So it's a big look, it's a good look, man. It's a good look. Ah man, I can't wait for it. As I said, the full trailer for it is going to be in the description below, and the GoFundMe is going to be in the description below. But yeah man, I've said to you as a Jamaican, yeah man, this is good. Alright, but I'm gonna go back on holiday right now. So guys, for anything else in the world of anime, Jamaican and Japanese otherwise, you are already at the right place, Blue Crescent Studio.